What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be tackling one of the most asked questions that I get across all of my social media accounts, and that's how do I solve this action block problem? So if you've got a notification like this, it's because you've been doing a certain action too many times and Instagram has decided that you look like a spam or a bot and it's going to block you from doing those certain actions. So in today's video we're going to discuss what exactly an action block is and how you can avoid it and how you can currently get out of the situation that you're in. Let's not waste any more time, let's get straight to the video. So what is an action block? An action block is just simply Instagram thinks that your account is either being too spammy or could possibly be a bot, and it's blocked you from doing a certain action. Now it could either block you from doing a certain action or block you from all actions entirely. It's not really something you need to worry about too much. It's going to block you between 8 hours and maybe 24 hours, and extreme conditions, if it's happened up to 30 times before, it can block you for about 2 weeks. But your account will return to normal after this, so it's not too much to worry about. So why does an action block happen? So an action block can happen for a number of reasons. One of them can be you followed too many people at a time, or even you've responded to too many messages, you've responded to too many comments, you've liked too many pictures in a row, something that's going to trigger the algorithm to think that you're actually acting like a bot. One of the main things that is going to trigger the algorithm is if you are using third-party apps and third-party bots. Avoid these at all costs. Instagram isn't like it was before, and you can't get away with using these type of things anymore. I also highly recommend that you do not use Telegram groups or DM groups or anything like that, especially if the DM group is happening on Instagram. These platforms, Facebook is so intelligent now, it knows that this is happening. If you're posting a picture on a DM group and then all of a sudden you're getting 20 comments, it knows that these aren't real engagements, and all it's going to do is harm your account in the long run. So I highly suggest that you don't do anything like this, and you simply grow your account in the ways that's organic and natural for the platform. Now you can watch a video here, or you can basically grow your account exactly using the method that I do. Recently I've been testing out using Reels, and now this has been wildly successful. I've been able to increase my followers on accounts that are already large, and I've also been able to revive accounts that are basically dead. Watch this video here so you can understand exactly my method that I've been using for Instagram Reels. So quickly we're going to be going over exactly how you can remove it right now. Let's quickly just jump onto my phone. So you're on Instagram, you want to go to settings and then help and then report a problem, something isn't working. Now here you want to be as polite as possible. Now you're most likely going to be viewed by a bot or the algorithm, but I always find it's best with Facebook because I deal with them a lot when it comes to adverts, and it's always best to be as polite as you possibly can just in case someone reads it and it's a person, you know. So we want to say like, hi, I think there has been a problem with my account and I have been blocked by mistake. Please can someone have a look? Then we're going to send that, and then basically that's it. You're going to wait for them to respond. I've had this on a number of accounts and they can get back to you within seconds, or it can be a couple of hours, but they're going to get back to you. Don't worry, your account's going to come back. You have literally nothing to worry about. I guarantee you're going to get your account back. So you've sent your request. Now another thing that I suggest you can do is just edit your bio a little bit. Now this will show Instagram that you're actually a real person and you're not just a spam bot that's out there following, liking all these pictures automatically. If you're changing your bio and you're interacting with things naturally, that will show Instagram and the algorithm that you're a real person. As well as editing your bio, you can also link your Instagram page to a Facebook page. If you haven't done it already, I highly suggest that you just do that right now, because that's going to further authenticate your account and prove that you're a real person. If you've done all of these steps and nothing's working still, and you really need to get something done, or you really need to send a message back or a comment or something like that, or even upload something if that's what you've been blocked for, then what I suggest is that you get onto a secondary device, your parents' phone or your friend's phone, go on there and use their mobile data to sign into your account. Because a lot of the time these action blocks are actually blocking your IP address and not your account itself, but it hasn't blocked your Instagram account. Sometimes it has. You know, it's about 50-50 chance that it's only blocked your IP. So you go onto a second person's account and make sure that you're using mobile data. This will give you a secondary IP address, and hopefully you'll be able to do whatever it is that you need to do. Apart from that, all you have to do is now just wait. It's most likely going to be lifted in a couple of hours. 8 hours to 24 hours is the usual amount. Sometimes it can take longer. If this has been happening to you a lot of the time, then it might take up to 2 weeks, but hopefully that won't happen. So just before we end the video, let's just quickly discuss how you can avoid this. 100% remove any engagement groups that you have and remove any third-party apps. Don't have anything attached to your Instagram, so you want to follow the rules to a T. And lastly, the most common way to get blocked is by following too many people. So if you're a new account, don't follow more than 20 people 3 times a day when you're new. And then when you've been around for, 2 weeks or a month, you can go up to about 50 people 3 times a day. Follow or unfollow. So yeah, that's the whole video. I hope this gives a little bit of insight on what an Instagram action block is and how you can avoid it or how you can get out of it now. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button. And if you did, I'll see you in the next one.